In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a 5,000 Amazon voucher in Dream11. First, let's talk about how you actually win this voucher. To start, you'll need to dive into the Dream11 world of contests and promotions. You should keep an eye on the platform for those particular contests that offer Amazon vouchers as prizes. Be attentive to the ongoing promotions, as these could be your ticket to winning those coveted vouchers. Once you've managed to secure a win, you'll need to go through a few important steps before you can redeem your prize. Upon winning, Dream11 or a service provider acting on their behalf will reach out to you. This contact will typically be made either via email or perhaps a phone call, so keep an eye on both channels of communication. It's crucial to pay attention to these messages as they will guide you through the all-important verification process. The verification step ensures that the prize reaches the rightful winner. So, taking this seriously will save you a lot of hassle later on. As part of the verification, Dream11 will request that you submit certain documents. These documents confirm your identity and other necessary details needed for them to wrap up everything on their end. The specifics will be outlined in their communication, so make sure you understand what documents are required and provide them promptly. This step is an integral part of prize collection and is essential for moving forward to redeem your voucher. Once all verifications are done and documents are submitted, you'll receive your Amazon voucher. Depending on the format, the process for redemption is slightly different. If you have a physical Amazon gift card, you'll find a claim code on the back. You'll need to locate this claim code and then head over to Amazon.com to enter it in the Redeem a Gift Card section. If you've been given an electronic gift card instead, things are a bit simpler. You'll receive a link either via email or maybe in a text message. Simply click the provided link to redeem your card. Now let's say you've gone through all these steps but still haven't received your winnings after being declared a winner. It's vital to be proactive. According to Dream11, you should contact their help and support team within 48 hours. They're there to assist you and can help resolve any hiccups that might have occurred. A final point to emphasize is that Dream11's decision concerning the awarding of winnings is final and binding. It's important to remember this as you go through the process. Understanding and following all these steps promptly and thoroughly will ensure that you can enjoy your Amazon voucher without any unnecessary delays. Happy gaming and good luck with future contests.